Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to replace a water heater. Replacing a water heater is a significant home investment, with average costs typically ranging from $1,600 to $5,400. The final price depends on several key factors, including the type of water heater you choose, its size, and the fuel source it uses. Opting for professional installation is highly recommended to ensure safety, proper functionality, and adherence to all local building codes. Several factors play a crucial role in determining your total water heater replacement cost. The type of unit, whether it's a traditional tank, a modern tankless, or an energy-efficient heat pump, is a major price driver. The size and capacity, measured in gallons for tank models or gallons per minute for tankless, also impact the unit's price. Additionally, the fuel source, such as electric, natural gas, or propane, along with any necessary utility upgrades, will influence your overall investment. Let's explore the average costs for different water heater types. Traditional tank models, which store hot water, are generally the most affordable upfront, costing between $600 and $2,500 with installation. Tankless units, providing on-demand hot water, typically range from $1,400 and $3,900, often leading to long-term energy savings. For the most energy-efficient option, heat pump or hybrid water heaters usually fall between $3,200 and $4,700. Installation is a significant part of the total cost, with labor typically ranging from $300 to $1,500. Plumbers generally charge between $45 and $200 per hour, with most jobs taking 1 to 3 hours. Complex installations, such as converting to a tankless system or relocating the unit, will increase these costs. Professional installation ensures safety, validates warranties, and guarantees compliance with all necessary permits and local building codes, preventing costly issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.